Pumpkin carving is one of those practices that blends creativity with tradition in a way few seasonal activities can. It marks a shift in time, a recognition that the season is changing, and with it comes a chance for reflection and expression. The act itself is simple, yet it carries layers of meaning, from cultural memory to personal artistry. Each design becomes a conversation between imagination and the natural world, with the pumpkin serving as the canvas. The process invites people to pause, to gather, and to create something meaningful in the company of others or in the quiet of their own space. It reminds us that beauty can be found in the act of transformation. It is not just about decoration, but about shaping atmosphere and mood. Through carving, an ordinary object becomes extraordinary, glowing with purpose and intention. Pumpkin carving holds a strong connection to the idea of tradition. It is an activity that has been practiced for generations, tying together families and communities across time. This continuity offers a sense of comfort, reminding us of familiar rhythms that return with each passing season. Tradition carries with it not only the act itself, but also the stories and memories that surround it. Every carved design becomes part of a larger tapestry of shared experience. The practice grounds people, offering a link to the past while still creating new moments in the present. It reminds us that customs are not static, but alive, reshaped each time they are carried out. Within this tradition lies a quiet power, a way of celebrating continuity and connection. To carve a pumpkin is to take part in something larger than oneself, echoing a heritage that stretches far beyond one's own home. If these pumpkin carving ideas inspired you, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love Halloween fun. At its core, pumpkin carving is an act of creativity. The blank surface calls for imagination, inviting endless possibilities for design. Each curve, cut, and form is a reflection of the carver's inner vision. This creative spirit is what allows the practice to remain ever-changing, never confined to a single style or form. It becomes less about following a set pattern and more about exploring personal expression. The pumpkin, in this way, becomes a stage for individuality. What begins as a simple object is shaped into something entirely new, bearing the marks of both thought and instinct. Carving encourages experimentation, where even the simplest attempt holds meaning. It demonstrates that creativity need not be grand to be significant. The act itself, filled with imagination, is what gives carving its enduring beauty. Do you go for spooky, funny, or creative pumpkin carvings? Share your favorite carving style in the comments below. Pumpkin carving also celebrates playfulness. It is not only about formality or tradition, but about laughter, enjoyment, and delight. The process often carries with it an air of spontaneity, where mistakes can become part of the charm and imperfections only add character. This playful spirit makes carving accessible to all, regardless of age or skill. It is a reminder that creativity can be fun, lighthearted, and unbound by strict expectations. In its most joyful form, carving encourages people to see possibility in the unexpected. A design may emerge that sparks amusement, curiosity, or simple wonder. Playfulness ensures that the practice does not lose its warmth or accessibility. It keeps the act fresh, allowing each carving to be seen not as a task, but as an opportunity for enjoyment. This sense of fun sustains the practice as much as tradition or artistry ever could. Playfulness is also what allows the practice to cross barriers of formality, welcoming those who may not consider themselves artistic. It encourages people to take part without fear of judgment, emphasizing joy over precision. In this spirit, even the smallest attempt becomes worthy of appreciation. Playfulness transforms carving into a reminder that life is not always about seriousness, but also about moments of lightness. It shows that beauty can be found in imperfection and that creativity can flourish when freed from expectations. It proves that sometimes the greatest outcome lies not in the result, but in the happiness discovered through the process itself. For more festive Halloween ideas, make sure to subscribe and join us for even more seasonal inspiration. Pumpkin carving has never remained exactly the same, and that is part of its strength. Each season brings subtle changes, shaped by the hands and imaginations of those who take part. It is a tradition that adapts to new times without losing its essence. This evolution speaks to the flexibility of creative customs, showing that they can grow and change while still carrying their original spirit. Every generation finds its own way of engaging with the practice, adding layers of meaning and interpretation. The evolving nature of carving ensures that it never becomes stagnant. It allows people to continue finding inspiration, whether through simple forms or more elaborate expressions. The adaptability of the practice is what gives it such lasting power. To carve a pumpkin today is to contribute to a living tradition, one that will continue to change, inspire, and endure for years to come. The evolving nature of carving also reflects the way traditions mirror the societies that shape them. As people's lifestyles, values, and ideas shift, so too does the way they approach the practice. What was once purely a ritual can become a form of personal expression, and what began as a simple activity can take on new meanings with each generation. This constant change shows that tradition is not weakened by adaptation, but strengthened by it. The act of carving is a canvas for collective creativity, where each new approach adds richness to the whole. Evolution ensures relevance, keeping the practice alive in the present while still honoring the past. It shows that customs are not fixed, but breathing, growing with those who carry them forward. Pumpkin carving, in this sense, is a reflection of human creativity itself, timeless, adaptable, and ever-changing. Pumpkin carving is more than a seasonal pastime. It is a practice that weaves together tradition, creativity, playfulness, and change. Each element adds depth to the experience, giving it both personal and collective significance. The act of carving becomes a reminder that meaning can be found in the simplest of activities. It teaches that creativity is not about perfection, but about expression. It shows that tradition can be cherished while still embracing new forms. It demonstrates that joy can be found in laughter and lightheartedness. And it proves that even as practices evolve, their essence can remain strong. The glow of a carved pumpkin is not just light in the dark, it is a symbol of imagination, memory, and renewal. In every design, there is a reminder of how something ordinary can be transformed into something remarkable. The carved form carries with it the spirit of the season, casting a warm glow that welcomes both reflection and celebration. It becomes a quiet statement of creativity, a small yet powerful reminder of the beauty in everyday acts. Through this practice, people find a way to connect with one another and with themselves, embracing both heritage and individuality. Carving reflects the balance between continuity and change, showing how traditions endure when they are infused with imagination. Ultimately, the pumpkin stands not only as a decoration, but as a symbol of the enduring human desire to create, to share, and to find meaning in the passage of time.